106.7 WIZN, the Scorpions. It's No One Like You. Heard Steve Miller and the Joker before that. Joe Vega here with you in your Wednesday Rockin' Ride Home, and I'm joined now by Ben Barry from Martin Harding and Mazzotti. Hello, Ben.
Hello, Joe.
So this today I'm calling you on behalf of the New York listeners that we have. Because the state of New York today, Governor Andrew Cuomo signed legislation requiring all passengers in motor vehicles over the age of 16 to wear a seatbelt. Of course, it was if you're an adult and you're in the back seat, you didn't have to wear a seatbelt. Now, basically, it doesn't matter where you are in the car or what your age is, right? You have to wear a seatbelt now in the state of New York.
That's correct.
Okay. And when does this legislation go into effect?
I think it goes into effect November 1st, so it will be prior to 2021.
How did this whole law come about?
There is significant lobbying for increased motor vehicle safety in general. A lot of that lobbying is done by AAA and other advocacy groups, MAD, SAD, all of those groups. But generally speaking, the statistics are rather clear that wearing a seatbelt significantly decreases the threat of sustaining serious bodily injury in a motor vehicle, and that's not just nationwide, that's
right.
Worldwide.
Yeah.
And so the statistics have been there, and the statistics have been the foundation for much of the legislation that we have now that's already related to seatbelts, speed limits, DWI, BAC limits. All of this stuff is based on the statistical evidence, and there's no question that wearing a seatbelt certainly increases the level of safety on any motor vehicle.
Yeah, when you think about it, you're not really any safer in the back seat.
I don't think that there's any expert anywhere who says, look, it's reasonable to not be wearing a seatbelt if you're in a moving vehicle. People seriously underestimate the danger that motor vehicles can cause and the damage that they can cause. So
yeah.
I generally am in support of this legislation. I think it's a good idea. It's certainly something that I see every day dealing with motor vehicle
right.
accidents.
Yeah.
People get very injured, and seatbelts help.
Right. I got you. All right. Thanks a lot, Ben.
Thank you, Joe. Wear your seatbelt.
Will do. All right. Remember, you can call Ben at any time at 1-800-LAW-1010 or go online to 1-800-LAW-1010.com. Mel Allen's taking over. He's got music from Foreigner and Collective Soul next.